It was the best time. I was older, I was set on where I wanted to be and what I wanted to do, and so I could focus my education on my career aspirations. At the University of Ottawa, I had a great relationship with Dean McCrae. Dean McCrae became a friend. I was elected president of our class, and he and I worked a lot together, and it was a very rewarding experience as a result, because I was directly involved in many of the outcomes that occurred that year at the law school. Law is very much a collaborative profession. It's generally based on teamwork and lawyers together in a room, in a courtroom, in a boardroom, making decisions together for the best result. The law school itself has to have those facilities that allow for such collaboration, for such learning, for interaction between the students and the professors. Hopefully, this gift will lead to the law school providing that sort of interactive educational environment for all students and be able to enjoy the learning experience, not only a legal education, but a legal education that can be used with all disciplines throughout the university.
Now that we're at this stage in our lives, it's important to be able to give back and to support the areas that need the help to get to the next level.
Well, as a freshman in university, just starting university this year, I definitely understand the importance of having the opportunity to go to school every day and enjoy it and make new connections and be in a school where I get to learn and experiment with new things and new ideas. And I definitely understand the importance of giving back to education. I'm very excited to be part of what my parents are doing and the opportunities that they are providing to other students and giving them the opportunity to enjoy education.
As a student, I definitely realized that better facilities will always create a better environment for students and whoever. So I really understand the importance of this, and I'm very excited to be a part of it with my family.
My legal education at the University of Ottawa afforded me the opportunity to start a law firm, to work in downtown Toronto, and to develop a successful career. And I am forever indebted to the University of Ottawa for that opportunity. The University of Ottawa's faculty of law has been incredibly influential in my success and therefore our success as a family. And so we decided that why not do it now? Why not do it when it's needed most? And why not do it when a new dean is starting that allows the new dean, Kristen Boon, to have a large platform to move forward and raise funds, advance the law school, and hopefully take it to the next level. The University Faculty of Law is really a microcosm of the country of Canada. It addresses and delves into all of the issues that this country is challenged with. It also celebrates all of the many things that we should celebrate, whether it's inclusivity, diversity, equality, Indigenous issues. The University of Ottawa, generally, and the Faculty of Law specifically, teaches, addresses, and lives in all of those issues every day. And that is what makes the University of Ottawa Faculty of Law, and the university in its entirety, unique.